Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid, and in this video I will show you how you can add this countdown timer to your sales page or lead generation page to increase the number of your subscribers or increase your sales. I will teach you how you can use a free plugin to style this countdown timer, how to change the colors and how to change the fonts and some other settings. To add this countdown to our sales page, we need to install the Kadence Blocks plugin. You know the drill, you go to plugins, add new, and you look for Kadence Blocks, and here it is. This is the plugin, and as you can see, it has been installed in more than 300,000 websites, and it has like 144 positive reviews, which means this is a solid plugin. Once you have this plugin here, you just click install now and you click activate. So once the plugin is activated, you'll have a new tab here to the left in the left menu called Kadence Blocks, but will not be making any changes to the settings of the block. So to add the countdown timer, you just go to your pages and you edit any of your pages. So for me, I've just opened this page that I need to add a countdown timer to it. Let's imagine this is a sales page for a course that teach people how to speak Spanish in 30 days. And I'm making an offer that you can buy the course now for like 47, only not 147. But I need to give some sort of a scarcity emotion or FOMO for the people who want to push them to buy the course, because I know it is a valuable course. So I want to add a countdown timer under the price section of this sales page. To add the countdown timer, you simply add this plus button that shows all the blocks added by Kadence. You know, you can add an advanced gallery, buttons, Google Maps, info boxes, posts, and the one we are looking for is the countdown. And if you don't find it, just once you open it, once you open the list of the blocks, you can search for it here, countdown, and here is the one. You just drag and drop it wherever you want, maybe here, maybe there, above, but I like to add it here, and that's it. Now let's just close this toolbar, and this is the countdown timer that we need to style and use our theme style or colors to style this countdown timer. To the right of the screen, you will have the settings of this countdown timer, where you can set a date, you style the fonts, and do some other stuff. But first, let me show you that for countdown timers, we have two types of countdown timers: the date countdown timer and the evergreen. The difference is this. The date countdown timer means that now you are setting this promotion or offer for like 2 days and 2 hours. Once these 2 days and 2 hours expire, or just the deadline is reached, the countdown timer will stop and it will be just 0. And if someone else visits the page after 2 days, they will see only the zeros. This is the date or the static countdown timer. For the evergreen countdown timer, which it means that the count will start again with each visitor. For example, now let's say that I have just opened this countdown timer and it says like 2 days and 2 hours, and if someone else opens the same page after 2 days, they will see the same countdown starts from 2 days also. But unfortunately, the Kadence Blocks asks you to buy the Pro add-on for the evergreen, so for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using the static one, which is the date countdown. We will suppose that this is a one-time offer or a special offer that you are running for the same people. So let's try to style this countdown. So here it is. This is the date. Now here you can change the time. Okay, this starts at like 11:30, 14th of May, maybe. This is the end. Starts now or ends here. This is the end date of the countdown timer. Of course, we can make it like after for 16, so the change of the countdown timer changes as you can see here. So now this is done. Action on expire. What do you want to do after this countdown expires? You want to show timer at 0, or do you want to like hide it or redirect? This is, I mean, the other settings are in the pro one, and we'll check it after checking the free copy. So now we'll go to the countdown timer. You can style it in different ways. You can make it inline, you know, just inline in one line, or you just use a block. I like to use the block. You can add a divider here. Okay, so the divider between the days and hours and minutes and seconds. And also you can change the number of days and hours. I mean, for example, if you are using this block in a French website, you can change the days to be, I don't know the French, so just say French, so the days are displayed in French. Let me remove this, excuse my French. And of course you can change the label of the hours. Now to change or to style this countdown timer colors, you go to the style tab. For the count items, you can change, you know, the background color here. Let's make it red. Okay, so now as you can see it is red, but to do this we need to change also with the number and label settings colors to be like white. We go to number settings and make it white, and let's change the label settings to be white as well. And that's it. Now we have a nice looking countdown timer. One other feature of the countdown timer in Kadence Blocks is that you can add a countdown pretext. Let's say this, you need to say this offer expires after. This is the pretext. Let me just, so as you can see, this is the pretext, and you can say get it now. Let me just make this all small, get it now. This looks good to me. Also, we can center align this. We can make it like align text to center. And also we can change the font size of the pretext and the post text. Because we have just added this here. If we go to the style page, the style section, and we will find the pretext settings, we can change the color of the text, or we can just, you know, increase the font size here, and let's make this one just bigger again, and that's it. This looks good to me, and we click on update, and let's, you know, view the page, and here it is. This is our countdown timer. So this is the free copy of Kadence Blocks free timer can add. Let's install the Kadence Blocks Pro and see what shall happen. This is the Kadence Blocks website. I will add a description for the Kadence Blocks on this video. You buy the Pro add-on. These are the prices at the time of this video recording. I think you need to grab this if you are using the Gutenberg. If you are not using Elementor or Thrive or anything else. This is a good plugin that can support your website very well, and you can use it for a variety of reasons. So I just go to my account and I have downloaded already the plugin, and under the install plugins I just add new and install the plugin. Let me just activate it here, and let me refresh the page and see how we can what we can do with the style, with the countdown. Now we can see the evergreen add-on is active. Let's say that every time someone visits this page, I need the offer to restart, like for example saying that this offer ends in like 2 days. I would just add it 48 hours, and that's it. This is, so every time someone will visit the page, this countdown timer will start again and say this offer ends after, or expires after 1 or after 2 days. And also other settings. Now there are other settings here, amount of days to wait until the evergreen is reset for visitors. So if someone visits this page today and let's say they visit the same page after 15 days, they will find the offer has expired. But if they visit the page after 30 days, they will find that the offer is still available. Action after what to show after the action in expire. What happens after this countdown expires? Usually I use the redirect add-on, and I will choose here like redirect. I will redirect them to another page. So if someone visits a page and the countdown timer or the evergreen countdown timer expires, and they try to visit the same page again, they will be redirected to another page. Maybe the other page will be selling them the course with the original price, which is like 147. And you just click update. Nothing will happen here, but if we just refresh the page, the countdown timer will start again. And let me just let's open this in incognito mode. Now we know this like 10 seconds expired, but if we open it in an incognito mode, you will see the countdown starts again. So this is how you can add a countdown timer for your sales page. Of course, you can start with the free plugin. Then if you need to be more sophisticated or create more sophistication or add more sophistication for your sales page, you can use the evergreen, which is bundled with the Kadence Blocks Pro. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and share it with your colleagues, friends, and everyone that you need to help. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.